Here is Nora Grace Goodwin, and she is 7 months old. She just got back from a backpacking trip where she camped in Germany and then went to Austria. Nora Grace loves eating and laughing and dancing and playing. She's very attached to her mommy and daddy. Her Uncle Mark is in town visiting her from Korea. She's a silly, silly girl, but can be a bit serious at times.
And she learned how to say something.
And she learned how to say, Mama, Mama,
Ma.
Ma.
Except when her hand is in her mouth.
Yeah.
Look at them teeth.
I know, and she got 2 bottom teeth that she worked very hard for. Say bye-bye. Nora, say bye-bye.